So suppose the step one will be you can get a API key from our platform, and then you can use this developer resources section, the thing which I'm here hovering right now. So when you get there, you'll see something called as quick start with Postman config. So what it does, it actually, let me show you. Let's talk less and show more. So I think my entire screen is being shared. Yeah, so that's my account. I can just go to any developers. You'll see I have some API keys, some accounts, security, billing, and plans. So this is specifically developer section that we have recently introduced in the platform. Let's see docs, API references, and this is the thing of importance. Quick start with Postman config. So when I click over here, it will open up a link which will have all our APIs endpoints under a collection called as CustomGPT.ai API collection v1. And what this basically does is the thing that you see on docs. So basically, if you go to our docs like docs.customgpt.ai, you'll see things like pages, get request, delete, post, get agent settings, citations. So usually what happens is devs come here, they maybe click on, let me see, one, just take this URL, post to Postman, and then add parameters like project name, sitemap, file data retention, things like that. So with this thing, with this feature, I can say, or this hosted collection, just import it to your collection, or maybe fork it, so that you can just click ahead and port this collection. It will get imported to your account. All the base parameters are already added. You have to maybe select, unselect, change values, and just hit responses. So let me show you one quick example. But before you do that, you also will have to fork a public collection before you can use it. I've already done that. And you need to also change the JWT token, because without token, without your API token, this thing won't work. So after, it says to make changes, fork this to your workspace. Just click over the fork collection, add your JWT token over here, and then you can just send requests. I can quickly show you that right now. Here, variables. So this, just let me delete this. For my platform, create a new API key. I can just call it dev office key. Create a key. Copy this key. Let me save it somewhere else. Yeah. And what was the name exactly? JWT underscore token. JWT underscore token. Paste it over here, paste it over here. So don't worry, guys. I'll be deleting this API key. It's not a good practice to make your API keys public. So yeah, just click on save, because if you won't save it, it's not automatically getting saved. So I had this issues, like I was frustrated why it's not working, but you need to save this collection first, save these changes. Let me go ahead to maybe agents. Yeah, create a new agent. So you can go office hours live. This is the sitemap I'll be using. It's website, and it will just fetch all the pages around. We have 200 pages on this site, and just send a request. So yeah, it got created office hours. Okay, it's LUV. Sorry for that typo. And if I go to my platform agents, yes, this will get created, and the data source, not deploy section. Go back. Yeah, the MCP server that all was talking about. We support these many things, but that's for another demo. We go and see the personalized build. So, yeah, I think we have changed a few things here and there, but yeah, these is the data source that will be used if maybe if I go and interact with this agent. So it's currently queued. This will be processed and will be ready for asking questions maybe in 2 minutes at max, or maybe even 1 minute, or basically it's fast. That's what I would like to say. So yeah, then again, if I want to delete a certain agent, I can just click over here. We have our JWT token already set up. The base URL is also set up. You can change it however you want, but that's not something I would recommend. Change the parameters. Okay, header. Just you can play along with these parameters over here and interact with the APIs that we have. So that's basically what the purpose of this thing was. We see a few people using it already. So if I hover over here, you see a few people very active using this collection 1 day ago, 14 hours ago, and this is me with a burner account right now active. So yeah, feel free to use this. It might help you with our APIs if you think going and copying is not that great for you. So that's